If you're over 40 and still wondering if it's too late to start something online, it's not. In fact, 2026 is the best time in years to build a one-person business that actually fits in with your life. Not because the tech's perfect, not because you've cracked some code, but because you finally know what matters and what doesn't. Come on, Murph. So let me show you a calmer, smarter path to build your business this year, and even if you're starting from scratch. You see, just last year, I launched something called the Heart Brand Blueprint. And as I record this in December 2025, it's turned into a six-figure side business alongside my agency. And I've now taught over 100 people how to start their online business from scratch. So if you're sitting there going into a new year thinking that this can't work for you, it can. And here's what I'll do to prove it. Murphy, come on. I'm going to give you 5 quiet prompts throughout this video, small actions that most people will skip, but they'll move you closer to your business than anything else. But even if one of them lands, you're not just watching, you're starting. Now, one of the biggest lies I see in over 40s, this belief is that I've still got time. Well, you do, but not like you might think. See, the clock's not yelling, it's whispering. And I bet you've started to hear it, haven't you? Quietly reminding you that your working life has maybe 10, 15, 20 years left. And if you want freedom on the other side, you can't keep putting this off. You see, 2026 is the calm before the noise. AI, automation, saturation, it's all coming. But right now, you've got space. Now, the platforms are still generous, your energy still has a runway, but regret, that compounds. One more year of waiting doesn't just cost you time, it chips away at the trust in yourself. See, on my walk today with Murphy, I was thinking about this, and I thought, you know what, let's share this with people. So open your calendar, pick one weekend this month, block it off. That's your business foundation weekend. Even if all you do is sketch ideas and write just one sentence that matters to you, you've started, and that's what matters. Murph, come on. So, did you pick your weekend, or even just think about it? Drop a comment, let me know. It might just feel small, but it's a real shift that most people, they never make. See, most people start thinking a business means becoming someone else, hustling, posturing, wearing the online uniform. But when you're over 40, reinvention isn't the game. Integration is. The business you want to build, the one you actually stick with, isn't random. It's the results of your lived experience. It's the stuff you've done, lived through, cared about quietly for years. And that's what we pull out inside the Online Business Builder AI workshop. It's a short guided walkthrough, 33 minutes, where I'll take your business idea and actually shape it into something real. Now, this is not theory, but real positioning, real offers, and real YouTube ideas. Actually, 12 of them, all tied directly into what it is you want to sell. Now, if you haven't grabbed the workshop, I'll leave a link nearby. Now, it's going to walk you through everything I'm saying here, but in a way that gets you out of your head and on to paper. Welcome to what I like to call the experience economy. Now, out here in the stillness, there are questions that surface which might help get you started. They certainly help get me started. So write down 3 moments in your life where people came to you for advice. What did they ask you? And what did they say after? Now that's a clue. Your business idea is probably sitting in those moments already, because I know that your next YouTube videos certainly are. Now, if you're over 40, you don't need a side hustle. You need a second act that protects your time, your energy, and your future. See, the wrong start can cost you years, and you don't have years to waste. That's why digital leverage matters so much here. Memberships, digital products, things that grow without you being on all of the time. It's not about working a 12-hour day to escape your 9 to 5. It's about building a system that lets you breathe. Because this business you're building is not just for extra income, it's for your future. So ask yourself this: if you could only work for 10 hours a week, what would you build? What would you sell? See, I've been thinking about these questions this morning while the leaves have been underfoot, crushed by Murphy and myself. You see, constraints force clarity. Clarity creates leverage. And if this question has stirred something in you, I'd appreciate if you hit the like button. Not for me, but for you. You see, that way this idea stays alive in your algorithm. You see, this isn't just about income. It's about the thing inside you that won't stay quiet anymore. That quiet ache. That sense that you're here for something more. It's not going away. See, every year you delay it, you don't just delay progress, you damage your own self-trust. Now, you don't need to go viral. You don't need a giant audience. You need a way to put your truth into the world in a way that supports your life. You see, that's what a real online business can become. So here's an idea. Open a blank note and write this sentence. I'm building this business because, and then just answer it in one sentence. No editing. That then becomes your core. That's the part you come back to when things get noisy, like traffic fading behind you on a woodland trail. Hello, Murphy. Now, if this has been helpful so far and you want more like this, subscribe, because I make videos like this for midlife builders who want something calmer, smarter, and actually doable. People will tell you that building the business can be selfish. You might think it's selfish as well, but the truth is it's actually generous. When you're lit up, when you're present, calm and resourced, your kids feel it, your partner sees it, your clients benefit from that. See, a business built from alignment doesn't drain you, it restores you. And that energy creates ripples. And this isn't just about setting an example. It's about giving the people you love the most grounded, clear and present version of you. Ask yourself this: if my child watched me build this thing for the next 3 years, what would I want them to learn? Let your business reflect the answer. Murphy, this way. We're going down here, dude. See, I thought about that while Murphy sniffed around a tree, and I remembered they're always watching us, always watching what we become. Now, if you want some help making that reflection real, grab the Online Business Builder AI. It's in the description. It's there whenever you're ready to turn your ideas into something visible. So you've just seen why 2026 is the perfect year to finally build your online business, especially if you're over 40 like me. But what if the real reason that you're stuck isn't because of strategy, but the YouTube mindset itself? Well, watch this next video to discover why chasing visibility is killing your momentum and how to shift into a business-first approach that actually grows with you.